We're here today with man of the match, Shaquan Satchwell, and St. Andrew Technical High School captain Xavier Gooden. First of all, captain, good game. Congratulations on the win. How does it feel to be in the finals?
It's an amazing feeling to be in the final.
Alright, what was your mindset coming into today's game?
Just focus, work hard, and do what the coach does say.
You're not normally the captain of the team. It's normally Livingston, right? Livingston wasn't fit today, I assume. How does it feel knowing that you have to step up to that responsibility, knowing that Livingston is absent from the game?
Well, I wasn't under no pressure because I know that our team can do it without him.
Alright, man of the match. You've been outstanding all season. You know, what was your confidence level like coming into today's game?
It's 100% because I wanted to do this for Omar Laing.
You scored a goal, and I think it's the goal of the season so far. Did you know that you were going to score it, or were you just taking a Hail Mary? Were you just shooting and hoping?
Before me even control the ball, one thing in mind, just turn and shoot. So, yeah.
Tell the people who are watching your stats for this season. How many goals and assists are you on right now?
I'm on 13 goals in the Manning Cup and 9 assists.
Alright, and speak to us about your role thus far all season. I think this is the first time the Southern Sports TV is speaking to us. Speak to us about your impact on the Staths team for the whole season.
As you can see, I'm the main man for Staths, so it's a very big impact for me in the school on the side.
Captain, I want to speak to you about Shaquan. Talk to us about what he means to St. Andrew Technical High School.
Basically like everything.
Alright, so you guys have qualified. You guys are now in the finals. It's a big deal. But it seems as though Staths does this very frequently. Will this be the year that St. Andrew Technical manages to cross the line?
Let us see.
Definitely.
Alright, and you guys are also through in the Champions Cup. You guys would have played in Staths, so we didn't get to see the game. Speak to us about that game. You guys would have played against Manchester. Talk to us about your guys' performance in that game.
It's a very good game. It wasn't a better game than this though.
Oh.
So do you feel this is your best game all season?
No. Best game was in group stage.
And lastly, Jamaica College. You know, how do you guys prepare now for that match coming up?
Well, we are fully prepared. As you can see, Shaquan didn't play, so we are going 100% in this.
Alright, congrats again, men. Good game and good luck in the finals.
Bless.